Somewhere I think that dream took a back seat, and I started acting and doing this and that and all. But I still always have been very fond of singing.
बड़ी बड़ी आंखें हैं करती जादू टोना, इनकी जैसी प्रिटी ना और कोई होना, कह दिया मैंने प्यार है तुम भी कहो ना, चिपके रहो स्क्रीन से आई असली सोना. वेलकम सोनाक्षी, हाउ आर यू?
Bad.
I've been rehearsing and researching
ये इंट्रो के बाद तो और भी बेटर होगा,
है ना?
हाँ.
आपका गाना मैंने देखा तो यू नो हिंदी रैपिंग यू मेड इट कूल, सो आई थॉट मैं भी करूंगा. बट
फुल्ली
हाउ कम यू डिसाइडेड कि अच्छा भाई अभी एक्टिंग को थोड़ा पॉज करती हूँ, मैं अभी सिंगल करूंगी?
पॉज कुछ नहीं हुआ है, उसके साथ साथ चलते जा रहा है.
How are you managing?
I'm managing, yeah. I'm expert at multitasking. Gemini born, no?
Oh.
So full, I can juggle like 20 things at one time.
All right, so we will start the show, but with a very important question. I love you.
That's not a question.
It's a statement, but do you love me too?
No.
अरे यार, कोई बात नहीं, पूरी interview में पूरी.
Like for 5 minutes.
No, I'm just trying my luck. It's all right. होता है.
Yeah, you're not
I was
that
just hoping.
lucky.
मैं वीडियो देख रहा था तो उसमें जो दूसरे लड़के थे who get to be with you, यार मतलब I wish I would have met you earlier. But it's looking super cool.
Thank you.
Love
Thank you
the
so
song.
much.
You made Hindi super cool. So how did this come about?
This actually, I've been wanting to sing since I was a child. Like I think every child, मेरे भी दिमाग में एक thought था कि मैं बड़ी होके rock star बनूंगी, स्टेज पे मेरा concert होगा, इतने लोगों को entertain
That
करूंगी.
you've already done.
I've done a dancing and all, but हाँ ठीक है, अब वो कर दिया तो मतलब now it's like you're doing it, you're used to it. अब कुछ और क्या करे? तो somewhere I think that dream took a back seat, and I started acting and doing this and that and all. But I still always have been very fond of singing.
Yeah.
In fact, जब लुटेरा शूट कर रहे थे तब मैंने विक्रम और विकास को भी बोला था मुझे गाने दो यार, एक तो गाना कोई तो गाना गाने दो. Nobody took me seriously only.
Now maybe you can do a package deal ना कि मैं गा भी दूंगी और मैं
Yeah,
acting भी
I
दूंगी.
mean, so nobody took me seriously. So that again, it went in the back seat. Until now, I realized that okay, enough is enough. I need to like do this because it's something I've always wanted to do, and I'm really happy that I'm in a position where I can like follow my dreams.
Yeah.
And which is exactly what I did, and it's actually just that.
I love it. It's super cool. But I think how big a role Honey Singh played into it, because he got you in the video and then you decided अच्छा मैं single करूँ.
Well, even when I was shooting with Honey Singh, in fact, I told him also that one day, I will do it. I will sing. I will do it. And since then, I've been saying it. In fact, even before that. So when I got when I was doing the video with him, we were having this discussion that it's so cool. I really like his music.
Yeah,
and
everybody does.
everybody does. So I was telling him that it's your genre is so cool. It's so funky. मैं भी एक दिन करके दिखाऊंगी. And he was like, yeah, I believe it. तू करेगी, and I know it. So he was also
it's sounding like acting का कोई dream बड़ा था कि मुझे गाना गाना है.
I never wanted to be an actress.
Really?
Yeah, I actually didn't want to be an actress.
So you wanted to be a singer?
I wanted to be everything except an actress. I wanted to be an astronaut. I wanted to be a biotechnologist. I wanted to be a tennis player. I wanted to be a singer. I wanted to be like a painter, artist. I wanted to be everything but an actress.
Dude, like we had a question बहुत आगे जाके शो में कि अगर आप एक्ट्रेस नहीं हो तो क्या होती, इतने सारे जवाब हो जाते.
Fashion designer.
Fashion designer also.
सब कुछ बना था.
Dude, like how do you manage multitasking, shooting at the same time, doing singles, songs? Now you'll start doing stage shows also after the single.
I think when you enjoy something that you're doing, वो काम की तरह नहीं लगता. It just ceases to be work. It's something that you love and something that you're doing because you want to do it, not because you have to do it.
So what would you tell all the other actresses जो बेचारी अभी सोचेंगी यार ये गाना भी लग गई, ये acting भी
कोई
कर
नहीं
लेती है.
सोच रहा यार, सब अपने अपने काम में खुश है, अच्छे रहे, खुश रहे, अच्छा काम करे, मैं ठीक हूँ.
Yeah, but so coming to that, I love your acting. So when am I seeing you next, and which is that film?
Thank you. Next, you'll probably see me in Akira, which will release in the new year. I'm not sure which month right now, with it's still locking on the date. But yeah, Akira, and then there's Post 2, which I've been shooting for in this last year. So
yeah, dude. Okay, every time I meet actors, they all say that हमारी favorite Sonakshi, whether it is Akshay Kumar, whether it is Shahid, whether it is John. Like, what do you do that all the actors love you?
I feed them food that my mother cooks. Yeah, that's the
यार
formula.
इनका spot किधर है, vanity किधर है, हमें भी चाहिए.
That's the formula. Just attack on the first day, खाना खिला दो, and my mother cooks the best food.
Yeah.
And they all love me.
So have you ever done this that I want this role, maybe I'll just feed this to the
No,
director? Never.
चाहिए इतने बुरे दिन नहीं आए.
हाँ ये तो है, अभी तो अच्छे दिन आए हैं. But I've also heard that you're very chilled out on the sets, and I've also seen a video where you were with your staff and they were like loving कि सोनाक्षी के साथ दिन भर spend करने में बड़ा मजा आता है. But tell me honestly, was doing this single more fun or acting in movies is more fun?
For me, being in front of the camera is a lot of fun. Like I really enjoy it. I love the process of going on set, getting ready, hair, makeup, character में आ जाओ, costume, being a different person with every film. I enjoy that thoroughly. But this single गाना मेरे लिए recording studio में was a new experience, was a wonderful experience, and मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
So if now offers come, you know कि आपको हमारी मूवी में एक्टिंग भी करनी है और गाना भी गाना है, are you up for it?
I am very clear about one thing कि मुझे playback singer नहीं बनना.
Okay.
मैं समझती हूँ कि मेरी आवाज़ एक पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग को सूट करती है और मुझे वही गाने हैं जो जॉनर मुझे पसंद है, मुझे वही गाना है. सडनली आप मुझे कोई क्लासिकल सॉन्ग में गाते में नहीं देखेंगे. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू दैट, नो, नॉट हैपनिंग.
That would have been fun.
Yeah, so obviously because I'm not trained, it's a hobby, it's something that I like to do, it's something that I'm passionate about. तो मैं वही करूँगी जो मुझे आता है, and to entertain people basically. तो अगर कोई फिल्म ऐसी आए जहाँ पर you know the music director feels that okay your voice will suit this song, क्या आप गाएंगी, तो हाँ मैं गाऊंगी, क्यों नहीं.
बट ऐसा अब होने वाला है कि पब्लिसिटी के लिए सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स यही करने वाले हैं. एक्चुअली गाना गाया है. बट टेल मी समथिंग, अगर आप अपने आप को देखती हैं ऑन स्क्रीन तो कौन सी सिंगर की आवाज आपको आपके ऊपर सबसे अच्छी जाती हुई लगती है?
श्रेया घोषाल या सुनिधि चौहान.
Shreya and Sunidhi, this is your lucky day.
Yeah.
All right.
No, I'm lucky that they lend me their beautiful voices. I think they've got stunning voices. But there's one person who has not sung for me and who I would love for her to sing for me is Sona Mohapatra.
Oh wow.
She's got a beautiful voice. Yeah.
Sona for Asli Sona. We are rooting.
Yeah.
All right. So 3 things you can't do without in your life.
3 things I can't do without: my family, my friends, and unfortunately, my phone.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, unfortunately, my phone.
Why is that unfortunately?
It's bad. It's like taking over everybody's lives, yeah.
Yeah, it sounds like you have a stalker on the phone who keeps calling you.
It's just like a Manu's thing. It's just like people are always on their phone. It's just annoying.
True. You don't like people being on their phone?
I don't like people being on
So where do you do these cool dub smashes, since you're the person who got Salman Khan on Instagram and on dub smashes? So when do you do this and how do you do this if you don't like your phone?
I do it because I'm always on my phone, which is why I said I don't like it.
No, but we have to say thanks because finally he came onto the social media because of you and you were so cool. What is your dream role, by the way?
I won't do a role firstly if I don't want to do it. So whatever I take up, I feel like I should transform it into my dream role, make it my dream role, because that's how it will come out.
जब आपको offers आते तो आप किसी factors पे सोचती हैं कि यार इससे मुझे award मिलेगा, इससे मुझे box office success मिलेगा? You never think?
No. I'm a very instinctive person. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर एक फिल्म आती है, अगर नरेशन होता है, अगर मुझे ऐसे लगता है नरेशन सुनने के बाद कि हाँ आई विल मेक द एफर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग अप, सिटिंग इन माई कार, गोइंग टू द थिएटर, बाइंग अ टिकट, स्पेंडिंग माई हार्ड अर्न मनी एंड वॉचिंग दैट फिल्म, देन आई विल डू इट.
या वैसे recent ticket prices के बाद I think she's the only one हमारे बारे में जो सोच रही है.
Otherwise I will not do it. Like I want to be part of entertaining films, films that people would want to watch, and many a times I've been correct about it, a few times I've been wrong, but that's fine.
But there also you've been fantastic in those films, so I'm
Thank
okay with
you.
your choices because I've loved you in every film.
Thank you.
All right, so this is the question जो बहुत important है actresses के लिए: ugly and live forever or beautiful and die in a year?
Ugly and live forever.
अच्छा, आपको beautiful forever.
There's more to life than just looking pretty. Okay,
You're saying this
honestly.
after being an actress.
Yeah, it's fine.
What about those 20,000 डॉक्टर के jobs जो कराती रहती है, उनको आपने 1 मिनट में ऐसे बोल दिया कि यार मतलब
It's really okay. I mean, there's more to life than just looking pretty and like I don't want to die in a year. Of course not. I want to live my life. I want to live long, fruitful life.
We want you to live long, fruitful life so that you can, do a lot of films. Tell me something. These days, people are talking a lot about, actresses getting equal money and getting equal remuneration. Does that ring a bell with you? आपको उससे bother होता है?
It does. I don't know if it bothers me or not, but हाँ, जो बात सही है, वो सही है. जो बात गलत है वो गलत है, and I feel that today if we can meet at a middle ground, I also understand that actresses अगर if it's a woman centric film तो शायद उसकी collection would not be as much as be it a Rowdy Rathod or Dabang. तो in terms of that, if you're not giving the output which is equal to how much you're collecting for a film, I think that's fair. And it's not like actresses are getting any less amount of money. Like there's a lot of more burden on the hero's shoulder today.
But आपके सारे heroes have been saying that the reason you are in the film is because you're the lucky man. Like Shahid has
so
said
I should take money from them. No, then I should take half of their money.
cut में
Yeah.
से लेना चाहिए. By the way, my mom is a huge fan of your dad,
Yeah.
and there's a story that my dad came to meet her, and she was like, no, I don't want to marry you. I want to marry someone like Shatrughan Sinha. My mom, अगर आप देख रही हैं तो आप बहुत खुश होने वाली हैं.
Oh God.
Yeah. So
don't worry. Tell your dad not to worry क्योंकि मेरे dad भी पहले reject हो चुके थे.
By your mom?
By my mom's mom. क्योंकि जब आए हाथ मांगने तो मेरी नानी ने कह दिया था कि मेरी बेटी सिंधी, मेरी बेटी तो फेयर वाइट प्रिंसेस की तरह, तुम साला काला पटना से, और दोनों एक साथ फोटो में आएंगे तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटो नहीं लगेगा. तो दिस इज व्हाट माय फादर हैड टू हियर.
ओह माय गॉड, लाइक शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा को सुनना पड़ा होगा, मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Yeah, so to tell your dad chill.
Yeah, he has to chill now after that. But rejection से याद आया, आपने what is one thing जिसकी वजह से आप किसी लड़के को रिजेक्ट कर सकती हैं? One thing you not stand for at all.
I don't like, मतलब मुझे शो ऑफ वाले लड़के बड़े अच्छे नहीं लगते. मेरी ये गाड़ी है, मैं जूते पहनता हूँ, ये ब्रांड पहना मैंने, ये वॉच है मेरी.
मैंने सेट के कपड़े पहने, मैंने स्टाइलिश के जूते और घड़ी पहनी और मैं ऑटो में आया हूँ. कैन आई गिव माय प्रपोजल टू सोनाक्षी सिन्हा? अभी तो
नहीं.
यार मैंने बोला था पूरे इंटरव्यू में ट्राई करता रहूंगा. टेल मी समथिंग, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस सॉन्ग जिसकी वजह से आपने बोला कि मुझे यही गाना है के साथ अपना सिंगल लॉन्च करना है?
रेडी गाना नहीं था. We all sat on it together और साथ में हमने बनाया है ये गाना.
You also collaborated with the lyrics?
I collaborated with the rap. In fact, while we were recording the song, Manmeet, Harmeet, Kumar, our lyricist, and me sat together. We were jamming over there in the recording studio. 15 minutes में we've come up with this rap.
15 minutes?
In 15 minutes. And the rest of the song, so they have come up with like this, the beats, the groove, everything. We've worked on it together. I've told them, अच्छा ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. They've said, this will sound better. That was so it's all been like a collective process, and I'm so happy that I was involved with it right from the beginning, because then it feels like, अरे अपना बच्चा है, so it just felt like everything was coming together for this one song and felt great.
Well, it's absolutely a rocking thing. Interviewing a lot of actors and actresses, there's one thing that I always go back home and tell my friends. And but आज मैं जाके बोलने वाला हूँ that I've met the real coolest celebrity in town, and that is Sonakshi Sinha. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's Sonakshi Sinha for you. Stay tuned.